Hey friends, if you wish to change icons in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select themes. Now scroll down and click on desktop icon settings. Let's say we have a few 5 icons that we can change: recycle bin, control panel, computer, user files, and network. And for recycle bin we have two options: one is a full one and one is an empty one. So let's say I wish to change the icon for the folder. I'll simply select the folder and click on change icon, and let me say that I wish to pick this icon instead. Simply click on OK and the icon has been changed. Click on apply and then on OK. The icon for all folders has been changed. If I wish to revert these settings, then I'll click on desktop icon settings once again. Now I'll have to select the specific icon here and then click on restore default. Then click on apply and then finally click on OK to revert the settings. Here's one thing: a lot of users say that you can also download icons from websites like iconcache.com, iconarchive.com, Canva, and DeviantArt, but you cannot because these are PNG files. And when a file is a PNG file, then you cannot directly upload it there. You need to convert it into a DLL file, which is a risky affair. So you have a limited set of icons to choose from. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.